In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Google Calendar effortlessly. If you're like most of us, juggling various tasks and appointments, Google Calendar can be a lifesaver. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part. Whether you're new to Google Calendar or simply looking for a refresher, this guide is for you. First off, let's get started by opening Google Calendar on your device. You can easily access it through your web browser or the app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, you'll notice Google Calendar offers several viewing options. You can choose to view your calendar by day, week, or month, depending on what suits you best. Take a moment to adjust your view to the one you find most comfortable or helpful. Next, you'll want to find the specific date and time where you want to set your reminder. Simply browse through your calendar until you spot the desired day. Once you do, click on the respective date or time slot. This action will open up a more detailed view where you can begin setting up your reminder. In this detailed view, you'll need to select Task. This option allows you to create a reminder tailored to your needs. After selecting Task, it's time to add the title of your task. Be descriptive. A clear, specific title will help you quickly recognize what the reminder is for when you see it later. For instance, if it's a meeting, include the meeting's purpose or participants' names. After giving your task a title, be sure to add the specific time you want the reminder to pop up. This step is crucial, especially if you have a precise moment in mind when you need to be alerted. Just type in the start and end time or select it from the drop-down menu. This helps ensure you're reminded exactly when you need it. Now, with your title and time set up, take a quick moment to review everything. If everything looks good, just click Save. By doing this, you confirm the creation of your reminder. As soon as you click Save, congratulations, you've successfully set a reminder on Google Calendar. From here, it'll automatically alert you at the specified time, ensuring you stay on top of your schedule. Using Google Calendar to set reminders is a fantastic way to maintain your schedule without the stress of having to remember everything on your own. Remember, you can edit any reminder if your plans change. Simply click back into your calendar, find the reminder, and make any necessary adjustments. I hope this guide on setting a reminder in Google Calendar has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your schedule. Keep exploring its features, and you'll become a pro in no time. Happy scheduling!